So in this video, we look at how to the slicing. It is a main important part. If you want to develop any kind of script, automated script in AI or ML or anything, it is a main important part, slicing. Okay. Every word, every string have a uh, starting and ending number. That is called a positive and negative index. Okay. Here I am taking hello world. H have a 0, E has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10. So this is the positive index, and space is also contain one number, that is 5. And these are my negative index, minus 1 for D, minus 2 for L, minus 3 for R, minus 4 for O, etc. Minus 11 for H. Okay. Now I am taking S1 of 10. So my 10 is D. Again, I am taking S1 of 5. So my 5 is a space. I am taking S1 of minus 4. So my minus 4 is R. Also, again, I am taking S1 of minus 7. Okay. Sorry, my minus 4 is O. Okay. I'm taking S1 of minus 7. So my minus 7 is O. Again, O. It is O. Okay. Now it is okay. It contain O. Now, slicing, it has a starting object. At start, it by default start with 0. It's by default stop with the endpoint. My this string having the endpoint of 10 and minus 11. Okay. Now, by default step is a 1. These are the syntax. By default start with the 0 means this, and with the 10, and by default it will be increment by the 1. Okay, by default. Again, I am taking the screenshot, so I will explain you better. Okay. So I am taking S1. In S1, I am having a hello world, right? Again, these are the syntax double column. First of all, start point, then colon, then stop, then colon, and step. Now, I am taking S1 of double colon. In that, I am not taking anything. So by default, it will take 0, endpoint, and 1. Right? So the whole string will be printed over here. Now, I am taking S1 4 colon, कुछ भी नहीं है अंदर, and colon 2. Now, my starting point is 4. Here, my starting point is 4. In a colon, stop point by default is end point. It is a 10. Again, stop point is 10. Okay. And my step is 2. Remember that. By default, it is 1, but here I am giving the 2. So it will start with the 4. This O, it will start with the 4. Then space, then W. So it will print W over here. Then again 1 plus 1, 2, R. Again R. And then 1 plus 1, 2, L को skip करके आएगा D. So it will print D because by default end हो रहा है end point. Right? Again I am taking S1 of 4 colon 1. Only one step. So it will start with the 4, then it will contain one space over here. Okay. And again W, O, R, L, and D up to 10 because my end point is this. Right? Again I am taking S1 of 3 colon 5. मतलब कि मैंने यहाँ पे 3 colon 5 लिया है. ठीक है, 3 colon 5. So my starting point is 3 and ending point is 5. And step is by default 1. So it will print L and O. Right? My starting point is 3. Okay. I'm not giving you the ending point. Okay. And here it is just only print the L and O. Again, I am taking S1 of 2, 8, and 3. So my starting point is 2, ending point is 8, and step is 3. Remember, step is 3. Starting point is 2, so it is L, again L. My step is 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So this contains this space, right? So that space is over here, and ending is 8. So it will doesn't take R because it will take end point is 8. That is why it doesn't take the R. Okay, I'm taking s1 of minus 1 again. So at minus 1, sorry, it is here at minus 1 it is d, so it will print your d. I'm taking s1 of minus 6, so minus 6 पे space, it will give you this space. Okay, again I am taking colon colon, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, and minus 1 लिखा है. So it will deliver you the whole string reverse this way. Okay, and in a C and C++, you are having a 7 line of code to reverse a string. But in Python, you just need the slicing to reverse your string. Okay. Now, if I am taking s1 minus 1 colon minus 1, I am taking minus 1 as my starting point. Ending point is by default, and जहाँ पे हो रहा है वो step is minus 1. Although this is taking whole string reverse. Again, I am taking s1 minus 3 as my starting point. My stop is by default, it is what it is, and minus 1 is my step. Okay, here minus 3 is my starting point. It will take r, okay, o, then w, then space o, l, l, e, and h, because my by default my ending point is minus 11. Right now I'm taking s1 of minus 5, minus 9, minus 1. So it will taking w space o and l. Okay. We'll start from here. Okay. So minus 9 and minus 1. So space, then o. S1 of 4 minus 2, it will give you o space w o and r. O space w o and r. O space w space o. I'm taking S1 of minus 2 and 4. So my minus 2 is a starting point, ending point is 4. Okay, minus 2 is a starting point and ending point is 4. Okay, it will give me the space, only space. It doesn't contain any string over here. Now, I am taking S1 of 5, minus 11 and minus 1. Okay, so it will give me space O double L E. Okay, this space O double L and E. This one, right? Here I am taking S1 of 100. If you are taking 1000, okay, your string is having a 10. If you are taking 1000, then it will always give you the string, whatever your string is, because you are taking more than that. Okay, if you are taking 1000, if you are taking 500, it is greater than the 10. So it will print the whole string. So these are the concept about this slicing you need to understand. And it is very much important when you, and I am repeating, it is very much important when you create any scripting automatically. Okay, so be a learner and enjoy your work. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.